So I'm currently in my garage prepping everything with these phone grips. I'm so excited to restock these. These were really popular last semester, and so are the takoyaki ones. And this one's a restock from, man, a few months ago. And I'm doing the little mock-up in my backyard. It is so messy, but yeah, this is what we're working with. So I'm remaking the board display board for keychains. And yeah, I'm just using this as a table, and I have a bunch of, what are these called? Push pins. And that's what I use to hang them. Sorry for the loud noise, my washing machine is going off, so yep. All set up. What time is it right now? 12. Day one, all packed up. It's so dark already. It's only like not even 6. Curry chicken, corn with rice, and some water. So I just went over to Target across campus. My booth is right there, you can see, but I bought a duster because there's so much dust in my booth. And yeah, I ran out of duster, so and I got this thing. It's just my booth got placed in a spot that's like has a lot of trees, so that's why it's quite messy in there, but it's all good. Got the necessities. This is supposed to be pushed back, but the wind dented it, and this thing blew and fell. Good morning, guys. It is Friday and it's like 9:30 or something, and we are gonna open up right now. Spider. Oh my gosh. It's pretty empty on campus right now. This is our spot. Didn't really have time to vlog this entire week, but I will do so today and show you guys our setup and everything. So first thing is we take this down. We're all set up, kind of. This ladybug has been here all day, actually all night, I think. I don't know, but apparently it's good luck for my store, so I'm very happy about this ladybug being here. I'm not really a bug person, but we're having lunch. Lunch in the back of the booth. Yes, it's quite messy over there, but it's okay. We are currently almost out of the fruit machine thing, but yeah. So I'm now gonna design a new backing card, I guess, for these heart keychains that I have. We just released them, and these are the colors that are available and with different characters on them. The pink one is Baby Mika. We have Kawa as the blue one, which is kind of like his color. And then Momo, the sheep, as the lilac and purple one. And I'll make butterflies. I don't think I want it to be pink. I just want to keep them. So I dropped my printer last week trying to fix a jam, and it kind of broke this thing right here a little bit. Like, I mean, can't really I mean, it still functions, which is fine, but like this part is just like kind of bothering me. It's like loose, but it's all good. It still works. And thankfully the printer still functions, which is really just the most important part. But yeah. Okay, so these just printed, and for some reason they look really, really big on paper. Let's see. Oh, okay. But I'm just worried it's not gonna fit in the plastic sleeve. I guess I just need to trim it down. It would be perfect, actually. So I just need to trim it down. My flight is literally in like 1.5, not 1.5, in like 5 hours. Or I gotta head to the airport in like 5 hours, but for now, packing the orders that I need to get packed before Monday. And I'm literally in my PJs. In my really comfortable PJs, but I gotta get this packed, so yeah. Firstly, we have this iPad case. I have these capybara thank you cards for all the orders that were placed this month. And this iPad case is going to Ada. So we'll do the this in this plastic, not plastic, paper, what you call it, paper, tissue paper. Like that. Then I got